So now India has grown in membership, and we have become second largest country in the world. Out of 207 countries, India is the second largest country in the world in membership. So we are 225,000 members today, and whereas America is 3.4 lakh members today. So we are working towards reaching more poor people with more Lions clubs, so that we can uplift the downtrodden. So our vision is to make sure that in next 10 years we will be the number one in the world in membership, so that because India has got need of Lions clubs, clubs like Lions clubs, like NGOs. The government alone cannot suffice the problems of India and people of India. So we need Lions clubs like NGOs like Lions clubs to come forward and reach more people with more service projects. So we have got a major initiative of reaching youth, 6 to 9th standard children, that is 11 years to 14 years old children, with a Lions Quest Life Skills program, wherein we train the teachers, and then those teachers will go and take sessions in the schools, weekly 1 period, 40 periods a year. And one such school which is happening, this program is happening in Bangalore, is Army Public School, where 1,000 children are getting benefited out of this program, where we see a lot of transformation in children, in let it be a relationship between parents and children, or better relationship between the students and the teachers, and also the teachers and the students. And students develop the confidence in them, they develop the public speaking skills, and really we find transformation children through this life skills program. We provide books to the teachers, we provide books to the children, and we got a $100,000 grant to promote this Lions Quest Life Skills program for South India, and we are investing this 55 lakhs rupees in next 1 year time to reach more children with this program, so that more children become benefit from this program. We have India, South Asia, Africa and Middle East Lions conference happening from tomorrow to 9th in Bangalore, that is 6th to 9th in Bangalore. And the main objective of this conference is to exchange our ideas in service projects, and talk about CSR funding, and share our ideas about corporates, partnership with NGOs, and also give kind of inspirational speeches to delegates to motivate them. The Swami Sukhabodhananda is going to address on 7th all the delegates in a subject called Satisfaction Through Service, and Vice President of ISKCON, Chanchala Dasa, is addressing the delegation on 8th on the subject of CSR funding and partnership of NGOs with CSR. So these Lion members will certainly benefit out of this program and go back and regenerate and do more service projects through their Lions clubs, and also extend more Lions clubs to reach more people.